good, you're gonna have to try this one. And coming in at 480 calories and 20 grams of protein, I can eat this every day. Just an update on weight loss, I've broken out of 216 and I'm down to 215. It is a slow crawl, but guess what? We are working. And you guys gave me so much good advice on the last video, and I've been taking it all to heart. A lot of you guys said to fast, so I've been trying to implement that once a week. And also you guys said to lift more weights, which I like personally because cardio sucks. I love all your guys' recommendations. Keep them coming. I read every chili chicken is so good, you're gonna have to try this one. And coming in at 700 calories and 40 grams of protein, I could eat this one every day. This chili, mentioned the cornflake chicken, because if I don't do it, it's gonna be heavy. We gotta hit it with the air fryer, because the chili oil packs some calories. When I was younger, my parents cooked everything in oil. Potatoes, chicken, it didn't matter, everything got cooked in oil. Nowadays, with air fryers and low-calorie substitutes, it's pretty easy to break out of that cycle and start your journey. Just changing the way I cook things and using substitutes is how I went from 235 to 210. And we're not at the finish line. Crispy Cajun hot honey skewers are so good, you're gonna have to try this one. Coming in at 41 grams of protein and 560 calories, this is a sandwich I could definitely eat every week, but if you're not down with the bread, this chicken is perfect for meal prep. The recipe is basically a Cajun seasoning, olive oil, and a spicy relish, but I'll put the full breakdown in the description so you can make this at home.
You're nothing but an ex, expired, exit from my life. An expired, exit from my life. I don't need your love, I don't need your heart. Was poison from the start. An expired, exit from my life. Bye-bye. I don't miss your mind tricks or your lies. I don't miss when you're gone every night. I'm done being chained, done with your games, done being played for your entertainment. I'm not yours.
She galvanized me, steady like steel, back on my feet, living for the thrill again, loving for another day. She satisfied me, gave me what I want, just what we need, never too far away, loving for another day.
Comfort foods are my main obsession. So today we are making some irresistibly creamy broccoli pasta because it's the most perfect comfort meal that's done under 20 minutes and so easy to make. There's even 3 hidden veggies, making this a nutrient-dense dish. Let's start off by chopping up our broccoli into super small pieces along with dicing our onions and garlic. A little trick I like to do is add oil and butter to the pan to prevent my butter from burning before adding in our chopped veggies and sauteing them until we are ready to pour in the heavy cream and sprinkle the mozzarella cheese. Once the sauce has thickened, add in the cooked pasta along with some parmigiano to finish it off. I really hope you enjoy, as always, the for 100 days, and this is recipe 25, my 20-minute creamy spinach rigatoni. It's so quick and easy to make. Last year on my birthday, my husband bought me my first Le Creuset brazier, and my best friend got me a beautiful plate set from Zara Home. Only a week later, my first ever recipe goes viral, using those thoughtful gifts. At this time last year, we were a community of less than 2,000 people. Today, there's over 300,000 of us. Thank you so much for being here and helping my dreams come true.